We have all seen and heard about this man in recent times everywhere on social media and news. The reason? He became the richest man in the world. Want to know his success story and how he got there? Well, let's begin. Let's begin with who is Elon Musk. Full name Elon Reeve Musk is a South African born American entrepreneur and businessman. He is the founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of SpaceX, an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation service company. Early investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla. Founder of the Boring Company, which is an American infrastructure and tunnel construction services company. Co-founder of Neuralink and co-founder as well as initial co-chairman of OpenAI. Musk became a multimillionaire in his late 20s when he sold his startup company Zip2 to a division of Compaq Computers. Musk made headlines in May 2012 when SpaceX launched a rocket that would send the first commercial vehicle to the International Space Station. He bolstered his portfolio with the purchase of SolarCity in 2016. In January 2021, Musk surpassed Jeff Bezos as the wealthiest man in the world. He was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. Musk's mother, May Musk, is a Canadian model and his father, Errol Musk, is a wealthy South African engineer. Musk spent his early childhood with his brother Kimball and his sister Tosca in South Africa. His parents divorced when he was 10. As a child, Musk was abnormally tech-savvy and into thoughts of inventions. When he was 10, Musk developed an interest in computers. He taught himself how to program, and when he was 12, he sold his first software, a game he created called Blastar. In grade school, Musk was short, introverted, and bookish. He was bullied until he was 15 and went through a growth spurt and learned how to defend himself with karate and wrestling. At age 17 in 1989, he moved to Canada to attend Queen's University and avoid mandatory service in the South African military. Musk obtained his Canadian citizenship that year. In 1992, Musk left Canada to study business and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He graduated with an undergraduate degree in economics and stayed for a second bachelor's degree in physics. After leaving Pennsylvania University, Musk headed to Stanford University in California to pursue a PhD in energy physics. However, he dropped out of Stanford just 2 days after becoming a part of it and launched his first company, Zip2 Corporation, in 1995. Musk launched his first company, Zip2 Corporation, in 1995 with his brother Kimball Musk. An online city guide, Zip2 was soon providing content for the new websites of both the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune. In 1999, a division of Compaq Computer Corporation bought Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock options. In 1999, Elon and Kimball Musk used the money from their sale of Zip2 to found X.com, an online financial services/payments company. An X.com acquisition the following year led to the creation of PayPal as it is known today. In October 2002, Musk earned his first billion when PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock. Before the sale, Musk owned 11% of the PayPal stock. Musk founded his third company, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or just SpaceX, in 2002 with the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel. By 2008, SpaceX was well established and NASA awarded the company the contract to handle cargo transport for the International Space Station, with plans for astronaut transport in the future. Musk is the co-founder, CEO and product architect at Tesla Motors, a company formed in 2003 that is dedicated to producing affordable, mass-market electric cars as well as battery products and solar roofs. Musk oversees all product development, engineering and design of the company's products. Solar City. In August 2016, in Musk's continuing effort to promote and advance sustainable energy and products for a wider consumer base, a $2.6 billion deal was solidified to combine his electric car and solar energy companies. His Tesla Motors Inc. announced an all-stock deal purchase of Solar City Corp., a company Musk had helped his cousins start in 2006. The Boring Company. In January 2017, Musk launched The Boring Company, a company that is devoted to boring and building tunnels in order to reduce street traffic. He began with a test dig on the SpaceX property in Los Angeles. Elon Musk has already lapped Jeff Bezos to become the world's richest person in 2021 since the stock market bottom in March 2020 after coronavirus pandemic. Tesla shares have skyrocketed. Elon Musk happens to own about 241 million of those shares, putting his wealth accumulation into overdrive in a short period of time. Considering all that said above, we can be assured that Elon Musk is a visionary, one that should be looked up to and be inspired from, and an individual who looks promising enough to elevate humanity to a new high.